In this video, I'll show you exactly how to rotate objects in Inkscape using several different methods. Whether you want to rotate something freely with your mouse, rotate by an exact angle, or quickly turn an object by 90 degrees, Inkscape gives you a few simple tools that make the process very fast. If you're new to Inkscape or learning graphic design, mastering rotation is a really important skill because it helps you position shapes, align elements, and build more complex designs. I'll walk you through each method step by step so you can choose the one that works best for your workflow. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple Inkscape tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, we need to set up the object we want to rotate. Open your Inkscape project and select the selection tool by pressing the S key on your keyboard, then click on the object you want to rotate. Once the object is selected, you'll see a square bounding box appear around it along with several transform handles on the corners and sides. This indicates that the object is active and ready to be transformed. With the object selected, we can now start rotating it. The first method is manual rotation, which is the fastest way if you just want to rotate something visually. With your object selected, click the object one more time. When you do this, the square scaling handles will change into curved rotation arrows on the corners. These arrows allow you to rotate the object freely. Now simply click and drag any of the corner arrows and move your mouse to rotate the object. As you drag, you'll see the object rotate smoothly around its center point. If you want cleaner angles while rotating, hold the Control key while dragging. This will snap the rotation to 15-degree increments, which is very useful for maintaining alignment in your design. The second method is the precise numeric rotation. This is ideal when you need an exact angle rather than rotating manually. Start by selecting the object again using the selection tool. Next, open the transform panel by pressing Ctrl plus Shift plus M on your keyboard. When the transform panel opens, click on the rotate tab at the top. Here you'll see a field where you can enter a specific angle. Type the exact angle you want, such as 45 degrees or 120 degrees, and then click Apply. Inkscape will rotate the object instantly to that exact angle. The third method is a quick shortcut for rotating objects by 90 degrees. Select your object, then press the left bracket key to rotate it 90 degrees counterclockwise. Press the right bracket key to rotate it 90 degrees clockwise. You can also find the rotate 90-degree buttons in the top tool controls bar if you prefer using the interface instead of keyboard shortcuts. There's also an important feature to understand called the pivot point. When rotation handles are visible, you'll see a small crosshair in the center of the object. This crosshair represents the center of rotation. You can click and drag this pivot point anywhere on the canvas to change how the object rotates. For example, moving the pivot outside the object allows you to rotate it around a completely different point. If you ever want to reset the pivot back to the center, simply hold Shift and click the crosshair. If you select multiple objects at once, they will rotate together around a shared center point. This is useful when rotating groups of shapes as a single design element. Just to quickly recap the most useful shortcuts, press S for the selection tool, press Ctrl Shift M to open the transform panel, use the bracket keys to rotate 90 degrees, and hold Ctrl while dragging to snap rotation to 15-degree increments. And that's it. Now you know several easy ways to rotate objects in Inkscape. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick and simple Inkscape tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.